voila, this is the magic we've been waiting for. In this video, I'm going to be going through the simple steps I use in creating 3D mockups, 3D product mockups for Groovepages websites, and then for clothing mockups for your groovekart store. This is very easy to do, and I'm going to be showing you in a few minutes. Step 1, I'll create the flat design in Canva or any graphic design software of choice. I prefer to use Canva, so you can go ahead and sign up for a free account. This is easy to do even in the free account. You can get this done in the free account and no issues there. Let's go. I'll just open Canva right here right now. This is my Canva, and for this, what we actually aim to create is this design you're looking at right now. For this, we need the side view, which is right here, the top view, which is up there, although it's barely visible, and the front view, which is what you're looking at right now. This here now is the side view, actually designed separately with the custom size of 598 by 2495 in height. That's what you see right here right now. And then the front cover is this, and its size is 1807 by 2495, so it has to be the same height with this one. And then for the top, which we could barely see, is this, and its size once more is width of 2003 by 599 in height. And that's it. There's nothing there to do. For this I imported a few elements where the big money is hiding, even in the early days of your blog. This was a design I did for a client, and these are the elements I used. So to get these elements, some of them are free, some of them are paid. And for this right here, you can see this is just text with a few effects. This is just text and free sites and all that. For elements like this, you can just go into here and search for 3D money bag, and you can see and even if you remove this, you still get a lot of options. I honestly have to say this now, that to design in Groovepages, I've actually used Figma, I have used CorelDRAW. I don't use Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator that often, but I'd have to say that using Canva with Groovepages is like super easy. So I just got one of these boxes here. I can't find this one right now, the one I used, but I got it, and then reduce the transparency a bit just to get this effect, and that's it. I imported one of these blobs and took it to the background and all that, but it didn't take up to 10 minutes to get this done. So yeah, this is the side view. So I'm just going to export each of them right now. So this is page 1 for the side view. This is page 1, but we're going to export page 2, which is what I'm looking at right now. So I'm just going to go to share and download. Here I'll just choose page 2 only, and save download settings. From here I'll just click on download. It's on PNG. You can actually change it to JPEG if you like, but I'm just gonna leave this as PNG, and it's gonna export. As that's doing its thing, okay, it's already showing, so I'm just gonna export it as side view and save. Then for the front view, I'm gonna do the same. Here is page 2 one more time and download. I'm gonna go here and choose page 2 and download. Okay, then for here I'm just gonna, okay, the other one is already visible, and that's the front cover. I'm just gonna save it that way. And for the top view, I'm just gonna come here and all over again, same thing, untick this one and download. Do the same thing here too, and that is it. I'm just gonna save this as top view. All right, so that's it, and you don't need to come back here again. I'll head over to my Chrome tab. Step 2, you download your free mockup. I will leave a link to the sources where I got my mockups from, free, totally free. There are about 7 websites in number, and I'm just gonna leave a link to the post on groovehelp.pro, and you can just go there and go to the links and download the ones you need. Search for what you need and download it. I'm also gonna be leaving a link that links directly to the templates I used, which is what I just showed you now, so you can get that too. It's all free. So let me go straight to, okay, for this we're gonna be needing a service. You can use Photoshop if you have Photoshop on your PC, but I don't, since I don't use it. And to do this for free, we just go to photop.com, which is a free Photoshop-like software that's online. It does have some annoying ads though, but that's fine, since we're not going to be spending up to 3 minutes here. So from here, I'm just going to go open from computer, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to drag what we need into this space. Let me just open it from here and go to desktop. From here, I choose this. It's on my desktop, so this is what we need here, software box. I'm gonna be leaving a link to that in the first link on the blog post in the description, so you can get that. And yeah, this is it. I already edited it a bit before for what I sent out, but to get this now, we simply have to go here and click on this. This is the top side. You can see this is the top side, this is the left side, this is the front side. So we're gonna be replacing the images here with the one here. So we'll simply click on it, double click on it, and we'll get to this space. You can see this, and you just delete this. It has to be something at the back, so we're just gonna leave this there. First, this is the top view, so we're just gonna search for the top view, which is this. We're gonna drag it in, and it's gonna load, and that's it. That's it. Then you go back to files, you save as smart object right there. Once you save that, if you come back to the main image, you see that it's already replaced. If you look at the top, and we're just going to do this for all sides. So let's go to the left side, and this is it. And same thing, you can just delete this. You can actually put it on top if you like, but you go straight to your desktop and you search for side view, which is this, and then you take it in, and that's it. No more drama. You go back here, and we didn't save that. Come here, save as smart objects, Ctrl S. I just press Ctrl S on your keyboard. Then you come back here and you see, and then you come here and do the same thing. You come back to your file and drag it in, and cancel this, and that's it. You can see that this one is a bit off in terms of size, and all you have to do is just drag it a bit, and that's it. You come here, save as smart objects right there, and you come back here, and voila, this is the magic we've been waiting for. Okay, so from here you can decide to go for a background color or just choose anything you like, but I'm not gonna tinker with anything here. But if you do decide to tinker with it, you can see right there. You can see, but I'm gonna just leave that. I don't intend on saving that. I'm just gonna export this the way it is and close this. Okay, that's it. And from here on, we just export this file. Go export as, I want to export this as a PNG, and that's all you need to do. Just save, and that's it. You open. Okay, and it opens. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. That's all you need to do, and that's it. For stuff like removing the background, we can remove the background from there, or just take it in here and do it like so. Like this that has a shadow here, we could just click on. You could use remove the BG for the background if you are on the free plan, or if you're on the pro plan of Canva, you could just come here and go to edit image, and of course background remover. It's gonna take a while, but it's gonna get this done. Okay, from here on, there are other options. Like I said, I was going to talk about how to make designs for t-shirts. Like if you got a design down for a t-shirt, yeah. Let's say you got a design down for a t-shirt and you want to impute it on a cloth, a model cloth. There are two ways to do this. First, you can do this in Canva right here, and this is the design I want to use. So first off, you save this and you download this as PNG or JPEG. It's right there. So save download settings, and okay, you save it on your desktop with shirts. I try to just save on my desktop to get things out faster, and then later I could just reorganize everything, and that's it. So from here on, I'll just upload what I saved. Shirt, this is the shirt. I'll just take it back to an empty space, and then I'll drag this in and go straight to edit image. I'll go to smart mockups. You can see smart mockups right here. I'll click on see all, and then I'll go for this shirt. This was the one I used before, but I'm just going to click on this one, and you're going to wait a bit, and it's gonna bring in the finished version of the design. Okay, I think there was an error right now, so let me just go back. Let me do this all over again. This is the shirt. Go back to edit image, and okay, saying you couldn't save my design. Okay, I'm gonna pause this recording for a bit and figure out what's wrong. Okay, so I got this fixed, and you can just go ahead now. I'll go to edit image and go into smart mockups. Then I'll choose one of these. You can see all the mockups you could use, but I'm just gonna go for the one that's like, we're going for like this one. I'm just gonna wait a bit for it to process. And from here we can actually make some edits, but It doesn't seem to be loading for some reason. So I'm just gonna click on apply. And it's gonna load in, but it's gonna take a bit. So while we do that, while that's being applied, we're gonna go back to another option to do mockups for your e-com store, which is actually a paid option, and that's just gonna be placeit. Yeah, placeit.net by Envato. So this is like the OG of mockups. They got mockups for everything from your clothes to your. You can see here you can get a free account. But let me see. I think I have an account on here. Oh, it's not. I think I have an account on here, but yeah, this is the option you could use if you intend on going with like a full dedicated option for your e-commerce store. And that's it. And one more time, every link to everything will be in the description. Let me just check if this is done. Yeah, you can see the image is a bit distorted, but you can see it's on the shirt and it's arranged. From here you can just export this and save. And if you do decide to remove the background, you can also save and apply the remove background option to it too. And that's it for this video. Saving these designs and using it on your Groovepages website is pretty much straightforward. I'm just waiting for this to load so I can just show you. So this is what we did the other day on the previous tutorial. And so let's say I want to change this to that mockup. You simply come here, choose the mockup from here and upload image. This should be in downloads, and that's it. Open, simply upload, and then you select, put alt image if you like, and then you just update, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Do like, share and subscribe if you did.